Hi, my name is Sarah Paget, and this is my experiment for CO2 explosions. All the stuff that is behind me was covered on the Prezi presentation, but I have it up here just in case you didn't read or you didn't hear me say it once before. Okay? We have bag A, B, and C. A is going to have 100 milliliters in it. We've already filled up the bag full of vinegar, and we've also already filled it up with its baking soda. The same thing we've also done for bag B. We filled up the bag with 150 milliliters, and we've also filled up the bag with baking soda. For bag C, we haven't filled it up yet because we wanted to show you what it looks like to pour everything in. So my lovely father is going to help me with pouring this in. Make sure to hold the cup up by your face and keep it level so you can look and see where the line is at. That's exactly 200. Now you're going to take this vinegar and you're going to pour it into the bag. Make sure that it all goes in and none of it falls out. You want to make sure to have as much air in here as possible. So when you step on the bag or whenever you hit it with your fist, it'll explode and it'll go throughout the bag and it'll cover all the baking soda and it'll rise. And then you want to seal it off as fast as possible so that all the air stays in. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to take each bag of vinegar and we're going to put it inside the bag of baking soda. So, you hold this open. 100 milliliters is going into bag A. Bag A, bag C, and bag B, you want to make sure that it's all completely empty with air. You want no air inside of it. The only bag that you want filled with air is your bag of milliliters and vinegar. Bag A. Bag B has 150 milliliters. You can drop that in there and just repeat those steps. Make sure the bag is completely sealed, or else whenever it explodes, the CO2 gas will come out and you will not get your full results. So bag B is done. Bag C is 200 milliliters. Repeat that same step. Okay. Bag C is done. Now, in order to get a good, accurate result, you have to bust all of these bags at the same time. If you have safety goggles, you can wear them. I don't have any, so I'm using my glasses. But they all have to be busted at the same time. Okay?
I'm going to hit 2 and I'm going to hit 1.
Ready?
Ready. 1,
2, 3. You want to shake the bags and make sure that these are still sealed off. You might have busted them when you first hit them. You want to shake the bags so that way your mixtures can come together and you can begin forming the CO2 gas inside of your bag. Now, because there's a different amount of vinegar in each bag, they will rise different lengths. So, my camera woman, if you could get down and show how high the bags are rising. Now that we've waited on our bags to fill up and to grow, you can see that A doesn't have as much CO2 gas as B and C, and B doesn't have as much CO2 gas in it as C does. So we have proved it, and we have proved my hypothesis that if the more amount of vinegar is changed, the bigger the explosion will be. We had 200 milliliters of vinegar in bag C, so bag C is our biggest one. B is our second largest, and A is our last. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.